Hey flower folks, welcome to Share Inspirations. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you how to make origami seed packets from old magazines or catalogs or even newspaper. Today I have this AAA catalog that I will be using, and I'm going to be showing you how to make this packet, which is, it has a pocket like this to store seeds in. You can store all kinds of seed in here, vegetable seeds, cut flower seeds. I found that after saving so many seeds from your garden, you run out of room in your Ziploc bags or somewhere where you want to store them, and I found this was a great way to do this. You can use thicker paper if you want, but I'm trying to recycle this magazine. Once you're done reading any magazine, it can be a flower magazine or so on and so forth. What you want to do is go ahead and take a page. Done with this. We're going to go ahead and make a square. So fold it like this, and then go ahead and basically we're trying to take out that square piece of paper instead of a rectangular, since if you notice this is a rectangular. You're going to go ahead, you can use scissors if you want, but I'm going to go ahead and show without scissors. Just go ahead and crease this. Okay. And now we have square paper like this. What we want to do is we kind of want to fold this kind of like an envelope, and then this corner, go ahead and bring that in like this, and go ahead and give this a fold. Just like an envelope, and you want to go ahead and fold it in half again. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and open it back to our triangle, and the two folds are going to go one into the other like so. And now you have a packet to put your seeds in, and it will fold like this, and you're going to go ahead and put this in. Now this works great if you want to go ahead and write down whatever seed this is. I have stored hollyhock seeds like this. I have stored primrose seeds, and even when you have these seed packets, it's great to go ahead and put in a bubble mailer when you're mailing out your seed. Just go ahead and send them this way. It will save you a ton of money. I just want to go ahead and do it one more time, starting out from the square like this, folding in half, folding this, folding this, folding that, and bringing that in, and then opening up the folds, putting this one triangle into the other like so, like that, making a pocket in here, and then folding this. And once you close this, it is secure, nothing comes out. It's because the seed is going to remain all the way at the bottom in the side. So even if you have a little bit of empty space on this end, it's not going to matter. The seeds are not going to fall out. And I thought that you would enjoy the fold of a seed packet, origami seed packet from old magazine or newspaper that you have laying around. And this would be a great way to recycle paper instead of just throwing it out. I hope you enjoyed the video, guys. I will see you in the next one. Bye.